In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Skype. By the end, you'll be comfortable downloading the app, setting up your profile, adjusting key settings, starting meetings and chats, adding contacts, making calls, and if you want, adding credit for calling phones. First, head to the official Skype website, download the app for your device, and complete the installation. Open Skype and either sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. If you're new, keep your login details secure and allow the app the camera and microphone permissions it requests. Those are needed for calls and meetings. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top left corner to explore your profile. Here you can change your profile picture to something clear and recognizable, update your status like busy or be right back so others know your availability, and access your account settings. Keeping this area up to date helps your contacts reach you at the right time. From your profile, open settings to personalize how Skype works. In audio and video, choose the correct microphone, speakers, and camera, and test them to make sure you sound and look clear. Under appearance, switch between light or dark mode and pick the color theme you prefer. In general, decide whether Skype should auto start with your device, and if it can run in the background, turn these off if you want to save resources. To start or join a meeting, click Meet Now. If you're hosting, click Continue, give your meeting a clear name, then Start Meeting. Share the invite link with participants. Anyone with the link can join, even without adding you as a contact. If you're joining a meeting, paste the link or enter the meeting code. A quick tip, test your mic and camera on the preview screen and mute when entering busy rooms to avoid background noise. For messaging, click New Chat. You can start a private conversation with one person or create a group chat for teams and families. Name group chats clearly so you can find them quickly later. To add contacts, click New Contact and search by Skype username, email, or phone number. Send a request and wait for approval. If you see multiple results, choose the one with the matching profile details to avoid adding the wrong person. To make calls, select a contact and choose voice call or video call. Use the on-call controls to mute, turn video on or off, and adjust audio as needed. Optionally, in settings, you can add Skype credit to call mobile or landline numbers. Skype to Skype calls are free. Credit is only for calling phone numbers. You now know the basics of using Skype for chatting, calling, and meetings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Skype tips and tutorials.